welcome to 10 News Network. Myself Sangeeta, and today we are at Bharat Shiksha Expo 2025, which is organized at India Expo Center at Mart from 24th April to 26th April. We have with us Neha Singh from Galgodias University. Ma'am, welcome to 10 News Network. Please tell us about the role of Galgodia University is playing at Bharat Shiksha Expo, and how do you envision the impact of such expo on student entrepreneurship and innovation?
Thank you, Sangeeta. First of all, I'm extremely happy and proud to be here. The energy around is truly electrifying, and the atmosphere and so many youngsters around is truly exuberant. I'm happy to welcome everyone here, and especially where you can see we are standing at the Pavilion Arena of Galgodias University, and I'm super happy to introduce you to all the 3 stations. If you can see behind my back, we have 3 stations from here extended to that place, wherein the entire Galgodias Pavilion Arena has been divided into 3 booths and 3 stations. Let me take you through to all the 3 stations. So first of all, here behind my back we have the sports station, and this station celebrates the wonderful achievements of all our students, and I'm very happy and proud to share that 3 of our students from BA, MA and MBA program have not just brought laurels and pride to the university but also to the nation, and they have been the recipients of the Arjuna Awards, and they have won Paralympics. This brings immense glory to the institution and to the nation itself. So this is the station. As you can see, there's so many students here practicing archery, and maybe we can have some more Arjuna awardees from our institution. So let me take you forward. Moving on to the next station. So now the next station is the knowledge station. Now it is very important to understand that education has taken a complete paradigm shift. No more boring classroom sessions, no more blackboard and whiteboard teacher lecture kind of a pedagogy. Our visionary CEO, Dr. Dhruv Galgodia, has envisioned all of this and has brought a complete pedagogical change in the way education will be looked up to. He has created a vision wherein the entire educational pedagogy has changed from teacher-centric to student-centric. And we have been so dynamic in creating active learning classrooms wherein not just the student engagement is maximum, but we also ensure that how we are not just creating innovators but also leaders who will bring this innovation to next level. So this is the knowledge station, and this is a landmark of the changing educational landscapes. Moving ahead, we have the GIC, Galgodias Incubation Center. Again, a very happy and a proud moment to share with you all that 10 of our students have won the Apple Sift Student Challenge, wherein they get to work in close proximity with the Apple people, design new applications, be the future-ready innovators, and that is how Galgodias University is creating an entire landscape and an environment where we are creating future-ready leaders and innovators, and we are touching upon every strong pillar, and as you can see through these stations, each expressing its own saga of the strength our university upholds. So I welcome you all to this expo, and I am happy to introduce you to the Galgodias Pavilion Arena. For more details on the GIC, I would like you to please meet my colleague, Mr. Kamal. He's the head GIC, and he would just give you a brief about what GIC is all about and how it works and how iOS has brought his laurels.
So welcome to 10 News first of all.
Yeah, thank you. So Galgodias Incubation Center for Research, Innovation, Startup and Entrepreneurs is a proudly testament of our business leadership. Honorable Chancellor Sir Mr. Sunil Galgodia, Honorable CEO Sir Dr. Dhruv Galgodia. Their unwavering commitment towards creating a culture of innovation and entrepreneurship inside the university has led the foundation of GIC Rise. Currently, GIC Rise is having more than 135 plus startups which are incubated with us. We are a 4-year-old incubator. We have a 40 plus mentors which are from the various corporates, academics, government, VCs and the angel investors as well. We have a 30 plus strategic partners who are supporting our startup from ideation to GTM. Okay, yeah. Recently, we have concluded one Galgodias Ideathon in which we have received more than 250 plus applications from Pan India. That Galgodias Ideathon was like co-sponsored by the IIT Ropar also. In that event, IIT Ropar has done an investment of 17.50 lakh under Northeastern edition. So our 4 startup has won that prizes and 3 startup from the other than our Galgodiya University has got it.
Ma'am, what do you think platforms like Bharat Shiksha Expo contribute to shaping a tech-enabled and innovation-driven educational culture in India?
Events like Bharat Shiksha Expo, they are doing wonders because they are giving the students of the school students an opportunity to gather under one roof and explore the plethora of opportunities that awaits them. They get not to just choose but also receive information which is available in bunches and decide what suits them best. There's so many opportunities awaiting them. They have so many facilitators here who can guide them based on their respective capabilities, what is best for them. And then such events, they collaborate students under one roof and they elucidate what is best for them. These institutions, these events, they are doing a wonderful job, and such events will only make the students more aware and more informed about making better decisions.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for talking with 10 News.